Marelli do not require any introduction when it comes to the automotive sector. Many OEMs in India as well as in the global use their products, be it on the personality side as well as in the performance side. Marelli in India for the last 16 years, they are manufacturing from India, and now they have almost 18 factories. But everything begins with a start, and we are going to talk to a person who was instrumental in establishing Marelli in India, that is Mr. Saju Mookken. Hello sir.
Thank you.
So it is almost 16 years Marelli started in India. First it was Magneti Marelli, now 18 factories. And how do you see this growth Marelli have brought in over 16 years?
So, we started the journey, as we said, in 2007 as Magneti Marelli. So then it used to be owned by Fiat Group. So while we came to India to localize components for the OEMs, starting with Fiat and obviously with other OEMs as well, in the span of the last 15 years, we are very much deep-rooted in terms of localization. So as you already said, we have 18 plants, pan-India. We are present in Gurgaon, Manesar region. We are present in Pune. We are also present in Sanand and also in the Chennai region. So that are the 4 hubs where we talk in terms of automotive. And more interestingly, in such short time, we have been able to have the footprint in India thanks to the local partners also. So the way we grew, it was through partnership. So we have 8 joint venture partners in India. 2 of the leading OEMs are direct partners to us. But having said that, we supply to the entire automotive OEM community, right? Also, we have not only localized the products, but we also localize the R&D. So we have 2 R&D centers, rather 3, which is covering the entire range in terms of software, hardware, mechanical side. We have 1 in Pune as well.
I heard that you have in Bangalore one, you have in Pune one. And these 2 places itself more have 600 engineers working?
Yes, more than 600 engineers. We have 3 setups. The original one is in Manesar, Gurgaon.
Okay.
Now it is in Gurgaon. The second one is in Bangalore, and also we have 1 in Pune, which is Pune one is mainly catering to the lighting technology.
Okay. So it is not one sector what Marelli is in. You have diversified sector. So how you, and one more thing what I've seen is most of the European companies, they try to first of all import the technology. They are very slow when it comes to investing in India hugely because they don't know how the market responds. But Marelli have took a completely different way of coming and investing more in India, as you told, localizing the parts.
So if you see the products here, so this is the AMT, right? When we introduced this product in the market in 2014-15, Indian market less than 2% of the products were automated. But we entered the market. We entered market with localization. So today we are already having more than 500,000 AMT capacity, and we're producing. So the automation in the market has gone up significantly, and AMT has been a driver for the same because it was one of the technologies which pushed automation in the vehicles. Otherwise, before 2014, less than 2% of the market was automated, right? So this product is fully localized, both the electronic side and the mechanical side, in the plant in Gurgaon, right? And if you see here, most of the components, for example, the ECU that you see here, these are localized. Hybrid control unit, we started localizing and exporting before the Indian market was ready.
We are talking about that when we are talking about hybrid control unit.
So when we talk about hybrid control unit, we are talking about both battery as well as for the ICE engines.
Oh, we are talking about the latest, and
hybridizing.
I think we are not yet matured even in the Indian market.
But we produce in India and export. So what you see here, the lamps, again all of them are localized. Localized not in terms of components alone, in terms of also tooling, in terms of design. Close to 60 to 70% of the design is in India.
And it is even for global market also we are doing that.
Yes. But we start from India then for the world, right?
So this is for 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, any kind of vehicles?
Yes.
Commercial vehicles also?
Lighting is mainly for 4-wheelers, passenger vehicles. But for clusters, electronics, we are there for passenger vehicle as well as for 2-wheeler. And again here the products that you see here is localized in India. This is a cluster for one of the OEMs. These are all local, right? Now this is a unique one. This is cluster and body computer together. It's called BCCM.
And this goes where?
This goes into one of the OEM's PSA brand. So Stellantis as a OEM, right? Yeah. It's there in the market.
And today, when we talk about the personality, people look at more about the experience, the aesthetics, what it brings. And I think how even the design part also you bring your expertise here, right?
Absolutely. So what you see on the other side was performance. Here it is all to do with the personality of the vehicle. Again, when we go into the electric side and the suspension side, we talk again about performance.
Okay. And personally talking, you had the powertrain division. So how you see the transformation happening in the powertrain?
So, there are a lot of changes that's happening on the ICE engines, right? So we talk about the conventional multi-fuel fuel injection systems. Now we are moving into flex fuel. And again, as Marelli, we have a lot of technologies around this because those technologies have come from, Marelli has a very strong presence in Brazil. And Brazil is very much on ethanol and flex fuel technology, right? So we have the technology available. We are there on CNG. We are there on GDI. When again the market is moving towards more GDI, we are already there. We are already supplying to the market. Not yet produced in India, but soon that will also happen.
So, and also now we are talking about EV. So EV powertrain and the conventional is completely different. So we talk about powertrain itself is completely different technology. So how you see this transformation happening in the Indian market?
So you see that, on one side you had ICE powertrain, now you have electric powertrain. So as Marelli, we offer technology to the market.
Okay.
When the market is matured, when the customer is ready to accept the technology, we are available to serve.
So you also have the kind of diversity around the vehicles. Be it anything, you have the solution.
So we have the ICE powertrain, we have the EV, and you saw the hybrid control unit in there, which is somewhere in the middle, right? So in the entire phase, in terms of manufacturing, we are available. So whenever the market is matured, we are available with a different technology. For example, ICE, you have also the green technology here, the exhaust division. So again, as Marelli, we are able to offer the complete solution. So we can also work on the CATCON side and the muffler side to improve the performance and emission.
This is amazing information which you have given to us to understand which are the diversified areas actually Marelli is working in the automotive side. Thanks for your time, and we wish Marelli all the best in the coming future.
Indeed, a pleasure to communicate with you.
Thank you.